YouTube. It's your boy 540 Ryan, aka the Spin Lord. I want to thank my Spin family, aka my Spinions, for tuning in with me today. Today's video is going to be a short video on how to remove lines from your forehead and how to prevent lines from your forehead, and basically just how to rejuvenate that forehead, man. It's something that all wavers struggle with, and I'm here to alleviate you guys from some of that stress. Anything that uses a band is going to cause this. So when you're double compressing with the stocking cap, if you're using a boo-boo rag, I don't care what it is, if it has a band, you're going to have a line. If you're double compressing, you're going to have a line. People who only use one durag and don't really go on long woof sessions, who don't need a super amount of compression, you may be good. You may not have to worry about this. But anyway, here's the first step that you want to do. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to rinse your face. You want to rinse your face with warm to hot water, whichever you can really withstand. The second thing you want to do is you want to go in with a scrub, an exfoliator. It doesn't have to be this brand. It doesn't have to be from Family Dollar. It doesn't have to be the white with the blue pellets. You can get the gel type. I have two. Give me 1 second. You can get the scrub from Neutrogena, whatever brand that you want. So after you get that scrub down, you want to rinse your face because this stuff has acid in it. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but let me tell you, this stuff is not friendly on the skin. I'm a sensitive skin guy, and I have to rinse this stuff thoroughly, or else my skin will feel the repercussions. So after you've steamed your face, got those pores open, you've rinsed your face, what you want to do is after the exfoliating, of course, what you want to do is you want to rinse your face again, because you're going to come behind that with the Noxzema Ultra Clear. Now, for a natural solution, honey and sugar is a great exfoliator. So if you want to go with the natural way, you're like, I cannot do this acid, I don't have the money for these products. If you have honey and sugar, that is a great exfoliating tool. But even after you use this Noxzema pad, you still want to rinse your skin. And I'm going to call this S-acid for now, because this also contains S-acid, which, it's acid. Come on, guys. So we go steam the face with a hot rag. What I do is I put mine in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You want to rinse the face because your face has to be somewhat wet before you use this. Then after you exfoliate, you want to rinse the face again. If you want to, you can re-steam. Sometimes I re-steam, but it's only necessary to open up the pores. Then after you've rinsed the face, you can go to the Noxzema pads and then rinse the face once more. Now, if you've stuck it out through this whole video, literally all of this stuff was just small tips and tricks to clean and rejuvenate the forehead. But this is the biggest thing that you're going to need to do. You're going to want to have some layer of protection at your forehead. And I'm not sure if you guys have picked up on this. You guys are going to get to see my 11-week woof. For the people that's been curious, you see that denim? You're going to want to cut out a piece of denim. For me, I have a big forehead. You see how big that block is? I have a big forehead, so the piece of denim is quite large. And so you just want to lay that there and unrag with this there. Now, you don't need it to cover the entire circumference. This piece can be a lot smaller. In fact, it can just be a little line like this. But you guys see it. You guys see it. And I've been ragged up for a good 2 hours. What time is it? It's 1:09 in the afternoon. I had my morning brush session at about 10 or 11. And I've been ragged up since. So 11-week wolf in full action there. And yes, there's a faint line, but the majority of that faint line is just from where I actually have the dark marks that I'm trying to cure. Can you see that? It's actually, my skin is actually not pressed or compressed. And as you see, man, it's looking a lot better. This is only day 3 for me. I've noticed that the dark marks have cleared up a lot. The denim is helping me a lot. And I hope it helps you. Now that you guys have seen me unrag, sorry if this part is because I finished the video up, I did my outro, and then I came back because I wanted to show you guys how I tie the durag. So my apologies. So with this, as you see, when I do readjustments, it pushes into my hairline. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on top of my hairline. Put this on top of my hairline. Come down a little bit more. Wow, I got that almost perfect the first time. Make sure that that's on top of my hairline, so my front bang isn't sticking up. Guys, look at my stocking cap. Man, I really need to get monetized on YouTube. I really do. But yeah, so you see that? You guys see that? Pull it tight, snug. It's like tying. It's like tying your durag normally, except you kind of have to lean your head back and make sure that that piece of denim doesn't loose. And you don't have to use denim. You don't have to use denim. What I wanted to do was I wanted to use this stocking cap here, but I just couldn't part with it. I think a polyester, since it has a little bit more buoyant, it's not as stiff as denim. Keep in mind, I'm just experimenting, so I'm not saying that, because denim is tough, it's durable, that's why I chose it. But you know, I will have to experiment with using some stretchable polyester. And just pull that down a little bit further, that's fine. So yeah, this isn't as perfect as it was when I first unragged at the start of the video, but you get the idea. It's good enough, man. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going grocery shopping or anything. I can have the denim sticking out for all I care. But yeah, that's just the basic gist of how you tie the durag while making sure that the denim is still perfectly placed. So with that being said, that's it for this video, man. It's your boy 540 Ryan signing off. If you guys like this video, you know, let me know. Leave a like. If you guys like the channel, if you saw more than 2 videos that you like, go ahead, subscribe for future content. But thanks a lot for tuning in. It's your boy 540 Ryan, and I'm signing off. Capiche?